Comments are a core part of the YouTube experience, giving more context to what viewers watch and helping YouTube creators engage more closely with their community of fans. In this video, we'll go over how YouTube adjusts comments for your child using a supervised account on YouTube. Our supervised experience is built for families whose tweens are ready to move on from YouTube Kids and begin to explore more of what YouTube has to offer. With adjustments to the content they can find and watch, features that are available, default account settings for digital well-being, and more. If you've chosen either the Explore More or Most of YouTube content setting for your child, they'll now be able to read a subset of comments on the videos they watch. Comments will remain hidden in the Explore content setting. We've made the following modifications to the comments section of watch pages as a way to raise the safety and quality bar for comments that are eligible to appear. Supervised accounts can read comments, but not write comments. Stricter comment filters for younger audiences. The removal of comments with links that would direct children to third-party websites. Surfacing of context cards that remind young users that comments are opinions and best practices for dialogue on the digital platforms. Made for Kids content and watch pages will still hide comments. If you don't want your child to have access to comments for whatever reason, you can always move your child to the Explore content setting. However, that will limit the videos they can see on the platform. To learn more about comments on YouTube using a supervised account, check out the articles below. Thanks for watching.